So you also prepared the fiscal and financial plan for 2023. This fiscal and financial plan was based on the General Appropriations Act, correct?
Yes po, GAA po.
And the General Appropriations Act for 2023 allocates confidential funds for the Office of the Vice President.
Opo.
The General Appropriations Act contains a line item allocation for OVP's socio-economic program delivery,
Yes
correct?
po.
The General Appropriations Act for 2023 was approved by the Senate and the House of Representatives, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
Which is why, for the fiscal and financial plan for 2023, you indicated socio-economic program delivery.
Yes po.
And in this fiscal and financial plan, the Vice President is a signatory, correct?
Isa po siya sa nagpirma, Your Honor.
You mentioned that you prepared the documents for liquidation. You also executed certifications, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
The form of the certification is provided by the joint circular, correct?
Yes po.
In fact, the form of said certification is contained in Annex B of the joint circular.
Ano po yun, Your Honor?
May the witness be confronted with Defense Exhibits D-I-136, Annex B,
Assisting counsels may approach.
which is the template of the certification, Your Honor, attached in the joint circular.
Ito.
Tama po, ma'am, no, na ang form ng certification ay nakalagay sa Annex B ng joint circular.
Opo, Your Honor.
And the joint circular states or provides the contents that must appear in the certification. Tama po?
This one?
Opo, nakalagay po dyan kung anong mga aligasyon na dapat naka-indicate sa certification. Tama po?
Tama po.
The joint circular does not give you any authority to alter the form it has given for the certification. Tama
Yes,
po?
Tama po.
And when you were preparing the liquidation documents, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na you had the opportunity to examine the documents which is submitted to the COA, correct?
Ano po yun?
Nung pong nagpe-prepare kayo ng liquidation, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na nakita nyo po yung mga documents na kailangan, tama po? Sa liquidation?
Opo.
Okay. And nakita mo rin po doon yung liquidation report, tama po? Yung mga liquidation reports kada quarter.
Opo.
And you were able to see that the Vice President certified that the cash advance for confidential funds was duly accomplished. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nung habang nagle-liquidate din po kayo para sa confidential funds kada quarter, you remain in coordination with the security officer.
Opo.
And ito pong coordination na to pertain...
Your Honor, can I object? That's not even-
Yes, what is the basis of the objection, counsel?
That's not even a question. There was no question. The counsel is just stating a statement and waiting for the witness to confirm. The witness, the
Your Honor,
counsel is testifying. There's no question.
What's the basis of the...
There's no question.
There
Ask
was a question, Your Honor.
There's no question on record. You're just
Actually-
stating a statement and waiting for this witness to say, yes, tama po.
That was a question.
Actually, it assumes that the question was in seriatim, I presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
All based on
In
the
declarative form, Your
all based on
Honor.
the documents submitted.
A question in the
And when
declarative
asked
form?
if he is correct in saying that, it is in the form of a question, counsel. But if he, the court will allow it and will gladly welcome a continuing objection along these lines of questioning, counsel,
Yes, Your
to be
Honor.
placed on record. Counsel, may proceed.
This coordination pertains with the security officer pertains to how confidential funds was implemented on the ground, correct?
Opo.
In fact, you mentioned earlier that the security officer also showed you a fund utilization report. This is how you know how the confidential funds was implemented on the ground. Ito po yung dahilan kung bakit alam nyo kung paano inimplement ang confidential funds on the ground. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
And after your examination of the documents, as you mentioned earlier, and your coordination with the security officer, you are satisfied that the confidential funds were used in connection with confidential activities.
Yes po, based sa mga documents na sinabit niya sa akin.
During the examination in chief of the prosecution, you also testified that the security officer did not sign the physical and financial plan, the accomplishment report, the liquidation report, and the certifications, despite the inputs and guidance provided. Pero tama po ba na wala sa joint circular nagbabawal from getting inputs and guidance from a security officer in preparation of the physical and financial plan?
Sa pagkaintindi ko po, wala pong pagbabawal doon.
Tama rin po ba na walang nakalagay sa joint circular na bawal kumuha ng input o guidance from the security officer sa pag-prepare ng accomplishment report?
Tama po.
Tama rin po ba na walang bawal sa joint circular kumuha ng input o guidance from a security officer in preparation of the liquidation report?
Tama po.
Ganon din po sa certification. Wala pong pagbabawal na kumuha ng inputs and guidance from a security officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
Wala rin pong nakalagay sa joint circular na kailangan nakapirma ang security officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
The forms provided by the joint circular is that these documents must be signed by an accountable officer. Tama po?
Ano po yun na document?
Yung pong physical and financial plan, accomplishment report, liquidation report, and certification, ang nire-require po ng JC, ng joint circular, ay dapat nakalagda dito ang isang accountable officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
At kayo po yun. Kayo po
Opo.
ay accountable officer. Tama po?
Tama po.
Okay. You were also asked about acknowledgement receipts. You examined the acknowledgement receipts, correct?
Yes po.
And you tallied the amount.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you checked the purpose for which confidential funds were used in the acknowledgement receipts.
Opo, Your Honor.
Chinek mo rin po ba yung date?
Nadaanan ko po yun ang mga date, Your Honor.
And nakita nyo po na ang confidential funds ay ginamit within the period required.
Opo, Your Honor.
And satisfied po kayo na ito ay ginamit sa confidential expenses. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
May nabanggit din po kayong accomplishment report during the examination of the prosecution. The joint circular provided a template for the accomplishment report, correct?
Opo.
The joint circular also provided that the accomplishment report must contain the specific detail by object, correct po?
Opo, Your Honor.
By object, tama po ba na naintindihan nyo to as by category, tama po?
Ano ibig sabihin po?
Sinabi sa joint circular na by object ang nakalagay dapat sa accomplishment report. Tama po ba na ang pagkakaintindi nyo dito ng by object is by category?
Opo, Your Honor.
Since you prepared the liquidation documents, the Office of the Vice President submitted these documents to the Commission on Audit, correct?
Opo.
So you complied with the joint circular's requirement that the liquidation of confidential funds must be done within 30 days from the close of each quarter. Tama po?
Tama po yun.
Okay. So for quarter 1 po ng 2023, tama po ba na ang OVP nagsubmit ng liquidation documents sa Commission on Audit noong April 13, 2023?
Ano po yung quarter, Your Honors?
May we ask that the witness be confronted with D-I-29-OVP?
That's for the first quarter, Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. The document is a cover letter addressed to Chairman Cordoba, Your Honor.
Assisting counsels may approach.
Do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a stamp received by the Commission on Audit, ICFAO, on April 13, 2023?
Opo, Your Honor.
For quarter 2 of 2023, Ma'am Gina, the OVP submitted the liquidation documents sa Commission on Audit on July 13, 2023. Naalala niyo po ba kung tama ito?
Nag-submit kami, Your Honor, pero di ko ma-confirm.
for the record,
again
Your
kung
Honor.
Wala ko document, Your Honor.
For the record, Your Honor, we would confront the witness with Defense Exhibits D-I-54-OVP. It's a same cover letter, Your Honor,
For the second quarter.
for the second quarter.
Yes, Your Honor. Nag-submit po kami last July 13, 2023.
And nakalagay po dyan na tama po, may stamp received ang COA ICFAO noong July 13, 2023, correct?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Para sa quarter 3 naman po na liquidation, maalala niyo po ba kung kailan niyo sinubmit? Maalala niyo po ba kung tama ang date na October 26, 2023? Ito, for the record, Your Honor, we would want to confront the witness with D-I-78-OVP, Your Honor, which is the same letter for quarter 3 of 2023.
Yes po, napareceive po sa Commission on Audit, Intelligence and Confidential Fund on October 26, 2023.
Do you confirm, Ma'am Gina, that there is a stamp received by the COA ICFAO on October 26, 2023?
Yes, Your Honor, meron.
And you are aware that for quarters 1 to 3, this would be disallowed in a notice of disallowance number 2026-001, correct?
Meron pong disallowance, Your Honor.
May we confront the witness with Defense Exhibits D-I-9, which is the notice of disallowance dated number 2026-001, Your Honor. Tama po. Ito po yung disallowance ng quarter 1 to 3 of 2023.
Opo, Your Honor. Ito po.
At ito pong notice of disallowance na to, tama po ba na in-issue ito ng Commission on Audit noong March 31, 2026?
Opo, Your Honor.
At in-issue po ito ng Commission on Audit habang ang Committee on Justice ay nagko-conduct ng mini trial against the Vice President, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. What's the relevance? Not touched upon. Minute the use of the term mini trial. That's one. Number two, not touched upon during direct examination. The rules are more restrictive when it comes to cross-examination of an adverse witness. Exhibit A is the line of question of the defense.
Kindly reform, counsel. I will not sustain the objection. Neither will I overrule it. Just kindly reform, counsel, so that we can proceed.
We will reform, Your Honor. This notice of disallowance was issued by the Commission on Audit while the Committee on Justice is conducting its hearing for impeachment. Correct?
Di ko maalala, Your
naman
Honor.
Pero na-receive nyo po itong notice of disallowance noong April 8, 2026. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. May signature po ako dito na na-receive ko po April 8, 2026.
So, na-receive nyo po yung notice of disallowance number 2026-001 on April 8, 2026 kahit na-submit nyo na yung liquidation noong 2023 pa lamang. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
At habang this is in the middle of the Committee on Justice hearings, correct?
Di kasi ako nakikinig sa TV at saka sa radio, Your Honor, kung mga about balita-balita, Your Honor. Kaya dili ko makasagot.
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
Objection, that's vague.
I withdraw,
Vague.
Your Honor.
Withdraw.
Vague. Nice try, vague.
I withdraw the question, Your Honor.
You should.
So withdrawn.
Nice try.
No, for,
Oh, no further.
no further questions.
All
Your
right.
Honor.
A few redirect with the court's permission, Your Honor, please.
With emphasis on a few, counsel.
Yes.
You may proceed, counsel.
Madam Witness, kanina, nung nakarang araw, while yung prosecution that is presenting you as an hostile or as we are accustomed to, hostile witness, sinabi nyo, in several instances, hindi mo masagot yung mga katanungan nangyari 2022 and prior to that. Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo na maalala. You remember having said that, hindi po ba?
Yung mga tanong mo po, Your Honor, na sinabi mo yung
Sa Davao.
sa Davao na 460.
Yes.
Di ko maalala yun, Your
Okay,
Honor.
Hindi mo
Ang
maalala.
amount. Opo.
Pero ma'am, kanina dire-diretso yung defense, tinatanong ka, nakatanggap ba ng audit observation memorandum? Natanggap ba ng notice of disallowance during your stint sa Davao City? Diretso, sabi mo, wala. Biglang
No
naalala
question,
niyo.
Your Honor.
Wait. I'm testing the
Kindly
credibility
allow
of this.
counsel to finish.
Now, bigla mong naalala, 2019, 2018 to 2022. Alam niyo po ba yung tinatawag nating selective memory, ma'am? Do you know that? Yes or
Objection,
no?
Your Honor.
Oops.
Argumentative.
Your Honor, I'm confronting this witness with a fact that everybody heard. When I was asking questions, sabi niya, conveniently hindi ko maalala. But when propounded with similar line of questioning as to events that happened in Davao City while she was an SDO, she said, yes, I can remember, diretsa yung sagot. That's why I'm asking that question as basis. Alam niyo po ba, anong ibig sabihin
I'll allow
ng selective memory?
If the witness knows,
Ang ibig sabihin po kanina, Your Honor, ang amount po na sinabi nyo na yun po ba, yan ba ang halaga ng confidential funds ng Davao City? Yun po, nag-concentrate ako, ang intindi ko, ang pagsabot ko, Your Honor, is yung the amount po. Hindi ko po maalala kung yun ba talaga, Your Honor.
That's your
Okay.
answer, ma'am. Ma'am, let's proceed po. Let's proceed, ma'am.
that's the witness's answer.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. You know, ako, for 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko, di ba naalala mo, nasabi mo, hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to go through the trouble of trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala po ba yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di po ba?
Yes,
or no?
naalala ko, Your Honor,
Yes,
yung mga
okay.
Tagalog na lalom, na
Lalom.
deeper,
Yeah,
dili kay
deeper.
ko ka sabot, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hindi ko maintindihan yung sabot now. But when it was the defense asking you, rapido,
What's the question, Your
Wait,
Honor?
not yet. Hold your horses.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
Relax. Hindi pa tapos. I'm just laying the premise. Relax. Mabilis.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Wait. Mabilis, Tagalog, all of a sudden, nasasagot mo, walang translation, nasasagot mo ng diretso.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutanan man ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor.
Alright,
Nagmutan ako kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yon, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan or
Yes, oo.
makuha ang ihang pangutana, Your
Your Honor, I
Honor.
will not belabor the point. The records are crystal clear.
Move
I
to
will
strike,
move on. Oh, what? I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. It's counsel is testifying.
I mean, Your Honor, that's a
motion-
manifestation. And what
Motion
we-
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
Yeah. You should do your own
let it
proper
stay in the
mistakes you
record.
make. Okay, now, Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si Colonel Lachica naman yung may access to security information, kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential activities. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di po ba?
Oo. Opo.
Now, and then kinonfront kayo ng Counsel for the Defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng Special Disbursing Officer dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot nyo, di po ba?
Nalibog. I'm confused.
Ka. Ayan, yun na yun, ma'am. Naku-confuse po kayo kung ako yung nagtatanong.
Usabon, repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense. Uulitin ko. I will indulge. Ma'am, sinabi niyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro niyan, ma'am, ha?
Opo.
Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
sinabi nyo rin, kinonfirm mo yung observation ng Defense Council na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman, wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala nyo po ba yan? Yung sagot nyo.
Yes, naalala ko.
Okay.
Sagot ko sa kay Attorney
Ano yung pangalan ng attorney, ma'am, if you know?
Lyndon.
Ma'am, kailan nyo nakausap si Attorney Lyndon before this
Attorney
testimony?
Lyndon.
Not
Ma'am,
part of the...
It is.
Cross,
It is.
Your Honor.
It is. Ma'am, kailan nyo last
counsel
nakausap?
may impeach the witness. She has been declared a hostile witness.
Ma'am, look at me, ma'am. Tingin ka sa
Yes,
akin.
sir.
Ma'am, you are under oath.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Kailan mo last nakausap si Attorney Lyndon?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita sa Attorney Lyndon?
No.
Last week?
Last week pa.
Ano
Before I
pag-usapan niyo,
go.
ma'am? Very interesting. Ano pag-usapan niyo?
Natanong ko lang sa kanya kung what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
And then, ano sinabi ni Attorney Lyndon?
Ganito, tatanungin po kayo, ma'am. Tapos,
Oo.
bla bla bla. Doon
And then,
ka
sinasabi niya ano yung mga tanong itatanong sa'yo, hindi po ba?
Wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.